If you build a Skool community without this blueprint, you're basically opening a gym with no workouts, no trainers, and the only sign on the door says good vibes and hope, and then you're shocked nobody stays. Today, I'm giving you the 10-part Skool blueprint to build recurring income with Skool plus AI plus YouTube without turning your community into a digital ghost town. And yes, I'm gonna roast the most common mistakes because I love you enough to be honest. Let's go. Here's the blueprint. Number 1, stop chasing members. Start building leverage. Most people go to, how do I get 100 members this week? A wrong question. Better question. How do I build something once that pays me month after month like a Netflix subscription? But for your brain, leverage first, members second, because chasing members is cardio. Leverage is a treadmill that pays you. And if that metaphor made you mad, wait until you hear number 2. Number 2, you need a system that turns views into trust. YouTube is the front door. Skool is the living room. AI is your assistant who keeps the place clean. If your YouTube content isn't designed to build belief, people may watch, but they won't join. And if they join, they won't pay. Your content has to do one job. Move someone from, who is this person, to, okay, I trust them, to shut up and take my money. And the next mistake, it's the one that kills communities before they even breathe. Number 3, never charge before trust exists. Charging on day 1 with zero trust is like proposing on the first date. Like, you don't even know my middle name, Todd. Bring them in free first, give them a quick win, let them feel the results, then the paid offer becomes obvious. Not pushy, not weird, not bad boy marketer energy, just, oh wow, this works. What's next? And speaking of what's next, most communities fail because there is no next. Number 4, free communities don't fail because they're free. They fail because they're directionless. Free isn't the problem. Confusion is the problem. People join, look around, and it feels like walking into IKEA with no arrows. They're like, am I building a desk or escaping? Your job is to remove confusion because confusion creates drop-off. Clarity creates cash. And if you want to remove confusion, you need one thing almost nobody builds. Number 5, you need a start here path on day 1. The second someone joins your Skool, they should see a simple path. Start here, do this first, then this, then this. A free vault, a quick roadmap, a mini getting started sequence. I watched a creator break this down once. He literally showed the free vault, the roadmap, the phases, and he had Skool Games trophies sitting behind him like, yeah, we do this every day. That's not accidental, that's onboarding, and onboarding is what keeps people from becoming ghosts. Now let's talk about the thing that makes onboarding actually stick. Number 6, your calendar is the conversion engine. Weekly workshops, weekly Q&A, a predictable rhythm, because people don't pay for information. They pay for structure and accountability and momentum. Your community should feel like, oh, I know what to do this week. Not, cool, I joined, now I'll vanish for 3 months. And if you're thinking, but I don't have time to run all that, good. Because number 7 is where AI makes you dangerous. Number 7, don't confuse content with value. Use AI to build a real curriculum path. Posting tips is not value. That's just noise. Value is a sequence. Value is a path. Value is step 1, step 2, step 3. AI can help you outline the path. AI can help you write the lessons. AI can help you create worksheets, checklists, prompts without you melting into your keyboard at 2 a.m. But AI can't decide the outcome for you, which brings us to the most important thing in the whole blueprint. Number 8, every level must solve one clear problem. This is the staircase, not the jump. Free solves one problem, paid solves the next, VIP solves the faster with access problem. So it looks like this. Free timed belief, paid timed behavior, VIP time speed. That's it. If your free gives everything away, people don't upgrade. If your free is junk, people don't trust you. You want free to feel like, oh wow, this is real. And paid to feel like, oh wow, now I'm unstoppable. And here's the part nobody wants to hear. Your school offer isn't the product. The path is the product. Number 9, build proof loops inside the free experience. Give them a micro course, a first win in 15 minutes, a simple challenge, something that produces a result fast. Because when someone gets a win, they don't need convincing. They convince themselves. And once they convince themselves, your paid offer becomes the next step, not a sales pitch. Now the final piece ties it all together, and it's the reason the best creators win. Number 10, clarity beats complexity every single time. No fancy funnels, no 47-step ascension matrix, no jargon salad, just YouTube brings people in. Skool gives them a path. AI helps you deliver faster. And the blueprint removes confusion so people stay, get results, and pay month after month. That's the game. And yes, I know some people still try to slap a price tag on chaos and call it a business. Don't be that person. Now, if you want this exact blueprint, I'll make it stupid simple for you. Comment blueprint and I'll send you the checklist I use to build your free path, paid path, and VIP path, so your school doesn't turn into a haunted house. And if you're ready to build recurring income with Skool plus AI plus YouTube, join the Shifting Gears community for free and jump into the workshops. No pressure, just a clear path. Because you don't need more motivation. You need a system. See you inside.